There's Spider-Man in his house. How about his friend? Is his friend gonna come over too? Yeah. Are they having fun? Is Spider-Man going to bed? Bed? Nice. Oh, they're both going to bed? Is it night-night? Yeah, they're gonna go night-night? Uh-oh. Oh, trapdoor! Trapdoor! But Barbie's house didn't ever have a trapdoor. Look! It's Spider-Man! And the Flash! You want another friend? How about this guy? You want this guy? Oh, wow. Where's he gonna go? No? Does he want to go in the garage? Oh, you want more guys? Are you decorating? Whoa. Good thing Jakey's asleep. Does he need a nap? Good job, Lulu.